I'm James Smith, and today we're visiting the Fashion Pavilion over at the JOGS show, and we get an opportunity to meet the designers and the suppliers, the manufacturers. And today I'm with
Trisha Watson.
Trisha Watson.
Absolute Jewelry.
All right, and where's your company based?
We import-export out of Scottsdale, Arizona.
Oh, wonderful.
Manufacture in Cebu, Philippines.
Oh, okay. And so this is produced around the world and brought to you. Where do you market it? At the shows?
We market at all of the shows and all of the United States. We've been in business since the 70s.
Oh.
We do a lot of manufacturing for private label designers.
Excellent.
We have 125 silversmith inlay workers in Cebu that are highly skilled, and you can see that skilled as it shows in our merchandise.
Oh, that's really beautiful.
This is a beautiful piece of inlay work, and we are quite famous for doing the intricate bell work that you see. And then if we have a customer that does not want the bell inlaid, we also manufacture without the inlay work.
Oh, so you can do a relatively plain bale as well as the inlay bale. We can do a plain bale as
well as an inlay bale.
So are you noticing buyers looking at a trend of the inlaid bales? Is that
they seem do to both. Be? Depends on what part of the country they're from.
Oh.
It depends on if someone's from Oklahoma or Kansas City versus New York versus Texas. The buyers know their customers, and they're going to buy what their customers want. They have learned over the years what their customers buy, and that's what they seek.
Well, for some of us who are new to the business and new to the field, I'm looking at your work, and it's beautiful, but the piece you just showed me really doesn't seem like my clients in Kansas are going to wear that on a daily basis. It seems more like a fancy New York type of thing.
Well, they may be more interested in a picture jasper and something more natural.
That's beautiful.
And this bale is inlaid, but we also manufacture it without the inlay work.
And is this up to the same standards of quality as the piece you just showed me?
Yes, it is.
So I'll be bringing them something just as unique and beautiful, but
this is
more to their taste.
Horse.
Wild horse?
Wild horse.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Is that the name of the stone?
Yes, it is. That's the name of the stone.
Do you know where the stone's from?
I apologize, I do not.
Okay, well, neither do I, but it's beautiful to know you have it here. And
we also carry a lot of different items, like you saw the orange in this cross, and you see this cross with the orange. The orange in these comes from this wonderful shell, and it's called a spiny oyster. And we also make these pendants that you see using this shell.
Well, I can really see the Southwestern influence in your design.
We have a lot of designers that like to buy our pendants, and then they like to design the finish work.
Ah, excellent. So you could provide raw material even not only for the wholesale buyer for the retail market, but you could also provide the designers and the fabricators with materials.
And we do that.
Oh, you do?
We do.
Wonderful. That's very good to know, because I know there are a lot of people that are just starting in the business. They're not sure where to go, and maybe they wouldn't know that you have both types of products. Is there anything else that you'd like to show us that we should be aware of as far as trends for this year, or?
Not necessarily trends. There are so many people with so many different styles. I mean, just look at the various earrings that we have that we're marketing, and we're probably one of the few people that actually make clip earrings.
You still do?
We still manufacture clip earrings, and we have a good market for that.
Oh, that's great.
Because a lot of people don't. But you can see from the different designs that we cater. I call these the ladders. Okay.
They're beautiful.
Someone else could call them something else. This is called a corkscrew. And they all have inlay work. This is like a little half moon.
And that's, again, back to the beautiful nightlife inlay. Wonderful. All right, well, I want to thank you for spending your time with us and sharing your knowledge.
Thank you, James.
And we look forward to seeing you
by
again.
our booth.
It's our pleasure.